In this video, I will guide you how to change Opus Wi-Fi password. Ensure your device is connected to the Opus Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar, then press enter. Use the default credentials: username admin, password admin, or password if not changed before. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi section. Locate the Wi-Fi password or pre-shared key field. Enter a new, strong password using letters, numbers, and special characters. Click Save to apply changes. The modem will restart, disconnecting all devices. Reconnect using the new Wi-Fi password. That's it. Now you know how to change Opus Wi-Fi password. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.